Friends, today I am uploading this video due to a special cause. Friends, as I think as you all know, the about the flood in Kerala, lots of people are suffering. So it's our duty to stand by them and help them. Friends, my urge to you all is that please help the people of Kerala by donating a minimum as as much amount as you can. I am doing my bit. Please do yours and stand by the side of the people of Kerala. They need our help. The state need our help. You can donate to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Kerala as given in the Twitter handle of the CM of Kerala. Please help, friend. This is my urge. Please help. The minimum amount you can, please help them. That's all. Bye for now.